In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add FAQ sections on WordPress.com. Adding an FAQ section can really enhance the user experience on your site by providing answers to common questions, all in one place. So let's dive in and get started. First, let's head over to WordPress.com and log into your account. If you're not sure how to do this, simply search for WordPress Login in your preferred search engine and follow the link to the WordPress.com login page. Enter your credentials and you're in. Once you've logged in, you'll be taken to your site's dashboard. This is the control center for your WordPress site where you can manage, edit, and update your content. From the dashboard, you'll want to navigate to the Pages section. Now, if you're starting fresh and want to add a new page specifically for your FAQs, go ahead and click on Add Page. Creating a new page is simple and straightforward. After clicking on Add Page, you should see a plus icon. Click on it to start creating your new page. In the search box, type the word FAQ. Here, you'll see the option AIOSEO, FAQ. Select that to begin adding your FAQ block. Now that we have our FAQ block set up, it's time to start adding entries. Think of the questions you get asked frequently and type one of them into the question box. This question will be the main heading that your users will see. Beneath the question box, there's a space for you to write a detailed answer or description. This area will appear when users click to expand the question, so make sure it's clear and informative. It's helpful to keep the language simple and the explanations thorough to aid understanding. Once you have your questions and answers written, navigate to the Block option. Clicking here will allow you to access additional settings for your FAQ. You can also go to the settings to fine-tune the look and feel of your FAQ entries. In this section, you'll find the option to change the title wrapper, which adjusts how the title is displayed on the page. Feel free to experiment with this to see what best fits your site's style. And that's it. You've successfully added an FAQ section to your WordPress.com site. It's an excellent feature for addressing common inquiries and streamlining user support. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy editing.